pipe. The packer is inserted into the protective sleeve to stop the resin from sticking to the packer. The sleeve is then secured at each end with tape. The pre-measured fiberglass sheet is unfolded. The pre-measured resin and hardener is mixed for up to 2 minutes until it is a light cream caramel colour. The resin is poured onto the fiberglass and spread evenly. Once completely saturated, the fiberglass should be turned over and the process repeated. The fiberglass sheet is folded into the centre from both sides to create 2 layers. The packer is placed on top and the fiberglass wrapped around. The fiberglass is secured with wire at each end. The packer is ready to be inserted into place. Once in position, the packer is inflated with compressed air up to 2 bar. The fiberglass expands, hitting the pipe wall, and is left to cure for up to 2 hours. Once the resin is cured, the packer is deflated and removed from the pipe, leaving the fiberglass in place. Upon inspection, the fiberglass has created a uniform bandage on the inside of the pipe. The repair is complete.